So when you call Siri, your iPhone bottle light isn't showing and it's still using the old Siri style? Don't stress, let's quickly fix it on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max in the fastest way possible. So first, before trying anything, you must make sure you are using iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or any newer iPhone and your iOS version is iOS 18.1 or later. After checking your iOS and the iPhone model, you have to make sure your Apple Intelligence is turned on. So just from your settings, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here you have to enable Apple Intelligence. So if it's making problem when you want to turn it on, you have to check your iPhone storage because Apple Intelligence needs extra space to download. So from your settings, then general, and from iPhone storage, you have to make sure you have enough free space. And you have to check your language and region settings. So from your settings and general, you have to check language and region. Here you have to make sure your region supports Apple Intelligence. For language, you must have to check that is selected to English US. And if everything is correct but the border light still doesn't show, do this final step. Just from your Apple Intelligence and Siri again, turn Siri off first and then force restart your iPhone. Just press volume up button, then volume down button once and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. So after your iPhone restarts, just go back to your Apple Intelligence and Siri and turn Siri back on. Just set it up again and now you should see the new border light Siri instantly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Comment which method worked for you and make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.